Just want to highlight the new generative AI is popping up everywhere across the application, back office, front office, Dynamics 365. Here's a few little features. They're small things. The big things we'll cover in other recordings. But first of all, we've got this highlight feature, which means I can look at a thread of activity. So here I'm on a contact record, and you can see the variety of different things that have happened with Chuck. What I could do is I can quickly click this highlights feature. It will analyze that thread and give me a nice summary back. And you can see that rather than tracking through all those different communications, I've got a nice summarization, and I can look at what's important, maybe get onto a specific task. Here's another example. I'm raising a new job order, so you can see I've now got AI suggestions that are being populated into my form that I can agree to or not. I could just click this and accept all suggestions. Now this might be a job order, it could be any record. It's going to keep the learning in the background, and it's going to keep applying better and better suggestions to quickly populate forms. And I can always apply feedback, for instance. I could say whether I like or dislike, for instance, the suggestions it's making, apply that, and it will put that back into the learning. So here is another example. Email has been received by a company that we're working with, and one of our employees has been sick, and I want to quickly create a response. So you can see that I have this little icon here, which is the Copilot icon. What I can do is click that, and I can say, do I want to draft this email? I want to describe what I need, and I want to describe a sympathetic email response. And that's a very simple example, but let's say it's going to look at that thread, and it's going to compose a response. Now what I could do is start over, I could discard, I could adjust. So let's say I want to make it a little bit more formal, and I want to make it long, and I want to update it. Right now I can even use the translate feature. In other words, I could have that come in a different language, I could translate that and respond in kind. So another example of how I can use the Copilot. Here I'm in another example. I'm on a job order and I'm composing an email. Now we do have a Copilot that can actually build this job description for you, but this is just a highlight that I can actually highlight any text, and immediately I get this pop-up that says, do you want to rewrite with Copilot? And I can apply that. Copilot will go to work, and again I can refine. It won't write the draft straight away. It will let me preview it, and then I can accept it, adjust it, and it will write it back. So I can adjust for length, format, tone. These are just several small examples of generative AI working hand in hand with 1Staff, front office, of Dynamics 365.